Ayan, may bunga na yung, iba ko sino nagtanong. May bunga na sila. Noon, isa lang. Yan lang. Grafted siguro ato eh. Yan oh, tatlo na. May 1, 2, ay 4. Ayan. Ano, pag nahinog, yan na. Nagkiuma ating marangkasan ta. Agtugaw ka nga gala. Uy, dakil ka. Maritoni. Maritoni. Dakil ka nga lemon. Ito! Ukis na wagi tinaasan. Ano pala? Para ipansahog doon sa dinengdeng na ito. Yung talong na to, madali lang lutuin. Takot to sa ayan. O, di pag kaya iya tama na to. Kulak-kulak sa umaga. Putong-putong. May yellow, may puti, blated, may pink. Ito pink ko lang dito. Bumpa. Ito yung ulam namin mamaya. Sahungin ito. Ito, bigay lang to. Lilinis, oh. Tapos pag nasa probinsya ka, pag sa Manila na to, piso isa ata to, pag dahil sa Manila. Tapos, ano? Bagbag kong. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog nito. Oh, comment nyo guys, yung kung ano yung Tagalog nito. Please. Hindi ko alam eh. Tapos ito, yung sa amin, sisiitan. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog. Ano sa Tagalog nito? Guys, sa spinach ata to. Isang klase ng spinach ito. Hindi ko alam eh. Mga ilocano mahilig mag-ulam ng ganyan. Flower lang siya. Pero yung bunga niya nauulam din. Ito kung hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito. Sa aming bagbag ko. Sa inyo, ano, pakicomment po sa comment section kung ano ang tawag dito sa inyo at kung sino nakakaalam sa Tagalog. Masarap to. Pwede sa sigang, pwede sa ano. Sarap. Lagyan ko pa ng ampalaya, pwede ano. Tinanong ko lang sa kapitbahay namin, dyan lang. Papakita ko maya yung resulta. At yung sarap kong Indiano kakain. Kung ano yung... Kasi ulam na inati dati. Wala ata dito sa inyo. Sarap. Sige na guys.
So guys, again we are seeing another video. Today I will show you what exactly this is. It's mix of vegetable and also river prawns. Small one. Okay, they used to call what is
Udang.
udang. Okay, see here. I will show you first what exactly. Just focus here. Okay, so that everyone can see proper. See, eggplant, utong. Utong means the long snake beans. Okay, Tamil என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா அது something like அது எப்படியோ சொல்லுவாங்க மறந்துச்சு. Okay, and some sisitan mix, and also this one I want to show you guys. Okay, sorry, very hot. See this one. Focus. The small one, green color, same like a flower. That is a sabong. They used to tell sabong, right? See here. This one, same like a bellflower, small. Okay, see here. And some chili. For me, I need some spiciness. That's the reason. This is Bangus fish fried. Just alright.
So what do you call everything that one?
Dinengdeng. Dinengdeng means in ilocano they used to tell, but in Tagalog they sometimes they used to tell sigang, something like that. It's kind of a soup dish. Okay, so I will mix first. Okay, and I will take some eggplant. Very hot. Sisitan is kind of a spinach. It has too much thorns. They will clean it, and after that they will boil. Okay, some utong. See here. Okay, I will just, it's a big bite. You don't feel too much some spiciness. Just they put bagu.
Bagoong.
Only some salt, pepper, and that's all. Just boil. Everything is very tender, nicely. It's mushy.
Muchi?
Mushy.
Put with prawns. We call it sahog.
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 See?
Fresh from the river. Yeah, and there's a flies. You think?
The dish is very tasty. You don't feel too much like full. Okay, very tasty. Also, see here, chili,
Fresh.
fresh chili. Here in the backyard garden only. Very spicy, but I like spiciness. See here, this one also mixed in the Dinengdeng only, because it will give you the taste. So that's why here they used to mix here the fried fish.
Yeah, they call it sahog.
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 Sahog. We'll just mix the fish skin only. Very tasty. Okay guys, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Today we cook a little bit only. The next video we will try to cook a lot of dish, and some different kind of dish we will show you. And thanks for watching, and thanks for giving us a support. And without you guys we cannot able to come until this level. And please support our YouTube channel Twohungry travelers. Please subscribe and comment, share, and also press the bell button icon for the new video notification. And also, you will, once you press the bell button, there will be, you can see all. Select that one all. Okay, and thank you guys again. Bye.
What do you call the end? Mabuhay?
Mabuhay.
Mm, good.